let's continue. Let's talk about parentheses. We use parentheses to add non-essential information to a sentence, such as a date, names, statistics. Look at this example. Edgar Allan Poe, 1809-1849, was an American poet and writer. The percentage of under 30s during exercise was lower, 45%, than that of people over 45, 52%. We also want to use parentheses when we want to give our reader options. Write your suggestions here. But avoid parentheses for longer ideas. Instead, use dashes or commas. Question marks. We use question marks only with direct questions. Will you come with me? That's okay. I wonder if you'll come with me? That's incorrect. That is an indirect question. With indirect questions, we do not write question marks. A question mark replaces a period at the end of a sentence, so you should capitalize the next letter. Will you come with me? Question mark. Will you come with Joe? Will with capital letters. With rhetorical questions, we do not write question marks. For quoting material, place the question mark within the quotation mark. That is, Albert asked, comma, will you still be my friend? We write the quotation, we write the question mark, and then we finish with double quotation marks. Exclamation marks. We use exclamation marks to show emphasis, surprise, or to show some kind of emotion. They replace a period and a mid-sentence comma. That is the reason why, if we write a sentence such as the second one, that's incorrect. But be careful, do not overuse them and avoid them in formal writing. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, of course you can reach me. Goodbye.